Yo, what is up, you guys? So welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, uh, I don't have any face cam, but what we're going to do today is that we are going to be replacing this iPhone 11 Pro LCD. So as you can see, let's remove the case. But before we start, guys, I just want to say a few things. Why I haven't uploaded for almost a year now. That's because I've been busy on quite some things, especially school and um, also doing some stuff here in the shop. Um, I'll tell you that in the future, but for now I'll just keep it a secret. But I've been busy for quite a while, and um, this is my only free time to do a video on me fixing things. I do still fix devices when I'm gone, during the time that I'm gone, but I don't have the time to do it on video. So this is my like the return of me. So I just want to clear things up. But for today's video, we are going to be replacing an iPhone 11 Pro LCD. And by the way, guys, the customer already bought a LCD replacement, so let's check it out. All right, it comes in a nice tin box, and it also comes with a waterproof adhesive, and also the LCD itself. By the way, guys, before we start the video, the customer already attempted to replace the LCD itself, but the one that they bought has no IC. That is why they sent it over to me so that I could transplant the IC from the old screen to the new screen. And by the way, guys, this screen is not original. It has been replaced before. So yeah. So let's start by um, so alright, guys, I'm sorry for the disturbance. I've been cold. So the first thing that we are going to do is we need to remove the pencil screws. Let me just get the right bit. This won't do. Okay, this is the one. Oh, okay. So both the cantaloupe screws are already out, so we don't need to remove it. We just need to pry the screen off. And I already told you earlier that the customer tried to replace the screen itself, so that's a given factor that the two cantaloupe screws are already out. And now we just need to remove the old LCD. That's quite easy to remove. Alright, so the LCD is removed. All right. So both the LCD cables are already out. So we need to remove this IC and transplant it to the other phone. All right. So let's place it aside, and let's place this aside also. And we're going to cover the camera lens so that dust won't go in. Then what I'm going to do is compare the old LCD to the new LCD, and upon further inspection, the camera, nope, the earpiece has already been transplanted to the new LCD, so that's good. Okay. By the way, guys, the new LCD, the customer didn't bought it from us, so the new LCD doesn't have any warranty. So take note on that. But I want to test the LCD first. Let's check if everything's good. And if the LCD is good, let's get the correct drill bit. Let's place it aside. Let's place this aside also. Let's test out the new screen. Last, we need to connect the battery. Now let's try to power on the device. Alright, we see a logo. Let's wait for this to boot up. So we need to wait 15 minutes. I'll be right back, guys, and I'll update you after it's been 15 minutes. So yeah. Alright, I'm back. It's been 15 minutes already. So I also charged the phone because it's currently 1%. So let's remove this. Alright. I'm gonna blur the face of the customer. Alright. So touch is working. Touch is indeed working. True tone. It doesn't have true tone. Let's check out the display. So we have a unknown part because we need to um, remove the chip and transplant over here. And we also have an issue with our Face ID. So, but touch is working. So let's turn off the phone. Alright, and let's start transplanting the chip to our new screen. Okay, let's start by opening the new screen. I forgot to remove the battery first, and let's remove the like that. Just like that, and the new screen is removed. Let's place this on the side. Let's grab our old screen. Let's remove the flex. But since this is broken, I won't remove the flex, and I'll just remove it directly over here. I'll transfer you over to our microscope, and let's start from there. So alright guys, we're back in our aerial view. I forgot to turn on my mic. That's why my microscope has no sound. Um, so before we move forward in our LCD replacement, guys, I just wanna um, share this, share the thing that I discovered. So the old screen that the customer have is a GX brand. So I thought that this chip is um, is good or is original, but upon uh, checking, I found out that it's not even a real chip. It's just a plastic chip with a double-sided tape placed in here. And also this chip is hollow with a sticky glue that was placed over here. So originally, um, the original screen on the customer phone, they didn't even transplant the chip in the LCD that they replaced. I don't know where the customer go or who the technician was before, but yeah, I just wanna notify everyone who's going to buy a GX LCD that their chip is not even original. So I can't uh, take this and put it in the new LCD. So that's a bummer. So let's just continue with the LCD replacement. So let me just prep this. Let me just prep the surface. Now it's ready for the waterproof sticker. Let's just peel that. Alright, that's good. Let's continue with the oops. Alright, let's connect the earpiece. Next is the LCD and this cable. Before we put everything back together, let's do one final cleanup. Let us put the metal shield.